In today's digital world, our personal and professional lives are more connected to the internet than ever before. This brings incredible convenience, but also dangerous new threats. One of the most alarming among them is sextortion. Sextortion can target anyone, regardless of gender, age, or background. It's a devastating experience that can leave victims feeling overwhelmed and trapped. But there are ways to protect yourself and to break free. Welcome to the Blackmail.HelpLine channel, your ultimate guide to staying safe in the digital world. We specialize in sextortion investigations and have helped thousands of victims around the world. Using our proprietary tracking technology, we've maintained a success rate exceeding 90%, stopping cybercriminals from releasing our clients' private images or information. In this video, we'll walk you through the dark reality of sextortion and give you a step-by-step plan to take back control. Before we dive in, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. We publish new content weekly, tackling every angle of online sextortion. Let's get into it. Understanding sextortion. Sextortion is a form of blackmail where someone threatens to release sensitive, often explicit content unless their demands are met. These demands might include more content, money, or even specific actions. And the internet gives these criminals unlimited hunting grounds. They operate on social platforms, dating apps, chat rooms, and even through email. Their strategies are calculated. Many impersonate someone familiar or trustworthy. Some exploit data breaches or even gain access to your accounts to gain control. One of the most common approaches? Posing as a romantic interest to earn your trust, then turning that trust against you. The consequences of falling victim are severe. Emotional trauma, damaged relationships, and in some cases, even worse. So, if you're already caught in their trap, what can you do? How to get out of sextortion. Stay calm. First and foremost, don't panic. Fear clouds judgment. Pause, take a breath, and remember, you are not alone. Thousands of people have overcome this. So can you. Do not comply. No matter what, do not give in. Sending more content or paying them rarely stops the abuse. It usually escalates it. You are dealing with a criminal. Do not believe or trust their promises. Manage the communication. Do not block them. While that might seem like the safest option, it can actually make things worse. Instead, keep the line open, stall, observe, and gather evidence. Save all evidence. As you manage communication, start collecting evidence. Take screenshots, save messages, and archive videos or emails. This documentation is vital for legal and investigative steps later. Seek support. You shouldn't go through this in silence. Talk to a friend, family member, or counselor. Confiding in someone you trust gives you strength and perspective. Report to law enforcement. Sextortion is illegal. Reporting to the authorities can help stop the offender and protect others. Provide all evidence you've collected and work with investigators as needed. Secure your accounts. Protect your digital identity. Change passwords on all accounts. Enable two-factor authentication, review account activity, and check privacy settings. It's possible the blackmailer has accessed more than just your messages. Be extra cautious online. After the incident, be mindful. Avoid sharing personal details, that any new online connections, and be suspicious of friend or follow requests from strangers. Take care of yourself. This kind of experience takes a serious emotional toll. You might benefit from therapy, counseling, or a support group. Prioritize your mental health. Recovery is not just about safety, it's about healing too. Get professional help. Above all else, don't try to face this alone. Even if the threat seems small, confronting sextortion without expert support can be dangerous. Blackmail.HelpLine is a leading force in combating online extortion. We've helped countless victims with a proven 90% success rate in protecting private content and stopping exposure threats. Our advanced IP-to-location ID technology allows us to locate and often unmask the criminals behind the screen. We're available 24/7, fast, discreet, and compassionate. Call us now at 888-634 1535 or visit Blackmail.HelpLine.com. We're ready to act, and we're ready to help. Sextortion is a vicious crime that feeds on fear and vulnerability. But by staying composed, refusing to give in, and taking decisive action, you can overcome it. Remember, you are not to blame, and you do not have to face this alone. There is help, there is hope, and there is a way forward. Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.